Ever wondered how to supercharge your KPI cards and unlock their full potential? Well, get excited because today I'm going to show you exactly how you can get from this generic KPI visual to a stunning one. Today, amongst other things, you'll discover how to elevate your KPI cards by updating the card title with a measure, adding a reference label for year-over-year growth, and mastering design options like a pro. First step, click on the visual, head to the format pane and let's start customizing. Under the title, click on effects and let's select the top customer name measure. Opt for the Siguri UI semi-bold font, size 18 and a light grey color. Moving on to the callout value section, switch to Siguri UI font, go with size 50 and let's add a pop of color with a vibrant purple hue. Perfect. Now our KPI card is not only informative but visually appealing too. Now let's add some context with the reference label. Click add data, select the reference label measure, customize it by switching from field name to custom and input total sales. Make it bold with a font size of 16. Transitioning to the value section, modify the font size to 20, apply bold formatting and click on the FX button next to the color option. Opt for field value and then select the reference label color measure. And let's not forget about the finishing touch. Head to the layout section and center align everything for that polished professional appearance. To elevate the background and the visual even further, I've crafted the stunning SVG background in PowerPoint. If you're interested in a behind the scenes look, just drop a comment with PowerPoint and I'll share the magic with you. Now let's head over to the canvas background. Upload the image, ensure it fits perfectly and set the transparency to 0. The final step is to eliminate any remaining backgrounds, visual borders and shadows from the visual element. Let me quickly do that and I'll be back to you in a second. And there you have it, your KPI card has never looked better. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. If you found this tutorial helpful or would like to see more content like this, be sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Your support means the world to me. This is Stelian, signing off. Until next time, cheerio!